Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Swaggy, and it's another day on this beautiful island. So we are going to eat breakfast. Okay, we're going to the fishing village.
Fishing village.
Fishing village.
Fishing.
Yeah, here in Ocho Rios. So yeah, we're gonna look at breakfast and.
Wow!
Maybe Starbucks is open, we're going there. I'm not sure if it's open so early because it's about 9 o'clock in the morning.
Now we're going to the Ocho car.
You're like a baby. So guys, we're going for breakfast. This is Swaggy's cameraman.
Now we're going to eat ice cream.
Ice cream.
Oh guys, still weather looks gloomy and the place looks lonely. Lonely, yeah. It's a lonely place. It looks like it closed. Oh yeah, good jump. Yeah, we have to jump. Tarzan.
That one. Why she broke it?
Whoa.
She broke it. Mama wants Mama.
Here it's broken.
Somebody broke it. Hey.
So this is a Starbucks. It's not yet open. It will open at 10:30 in the morning. So yeah, Starbucks coffee.
Mama, did anybody?
I don't know where is everybody. So yeah. This is a Margaritaville beach. Looks quite much of the I don't know. Nothing is going on. Looks like not one. Oh, look at the roots. The roots of this palm tree. Big roots. Did wash away though. The water washed it away. Yeah. So that looks lonely. Place looks lonely. But like I told you, probably they're gonna open at 10:30 or something. Yeah. So yeah, the place will open at 10:30. I'm more than sure. So you're gonna see here everybody gonna open their businesses. Yeah. So now it's here. It's still early. And we're going to have some breakfast because I'm hungry. Yeah.
Why would Spider-Man watch?
Oh yeah, I think they said here Pandora, whatever it is. It's like a jewelry store. Oh, there's an opera. Oh, you watch opera show. Hi, morning.
Man, this is fishing village. I'm looking at the way this is.
So guys, can you believe they have cinema here? They have here cinema.
Whoa, what is that? What is that, Daddy? Yeah. Yeah. It's like a park. It's like a park. It's like a park. Dad, see the bird up there? Yeah, look, I see him. It's under the top. See the bird in the top? Look, look, look. The bird is under the top.
Oh yeah guys, we found the movie theater. Cove Theater. But it's closed probably, yeah. It's closed, lockdown. And this is a Chuka open there. Souvenir shop. Chuka Tour Essentials. Yeah. Alright, we are still walking. Down. So we had to come out on the road. Alright guys, so we've arrived. Fishing village. For breakfast, we're gonna have some breakfast. Yeah. So the fish here too. We're gone ready to the shop. What's good on the menu? So guys, this is my breakfast. Two slices of breadfruit and what Errol got in him something. Errol has breadfruit too. What that Errol? Something brownish. Oh, kidney. If we try it, maybe I will like it. But because they never had chicken, so I just got one breadfruit and that's it. I'm good. Yeah, I don't like callaloo. I don't know why. I just don't like callaloo. And aki, I don't know. Last time I ate aki and I was feeling bad, so I kind of don't want to eat aki again. So yeah, just a go. Still some kidney probably tried. Yeah.
Good?
Let me dip it in there so you can try. But you put it so far. I can want to share.
What is that up there? What is that? Daddy, what is that?
Yes, Leo.
What is that up there?
Sun.
Bird.
So
No, it's a bird up there. Look, it's under the house.
Let me see on the house. You know there?
Daddy, why is
Not bad.
it chilling?
This chair.
I like.
Why is it not running? Daddy,
Tastes
why
like-
is it not going away?
Tastes like
Why
brown
is it
stew
chilling?
chicken. A little bit like brown stew
Chilling
chicken.
under the house?
On the house.
No bad.
Oh,
See some more birds behind you? Look over there.
Can eat.
Big ones of a stone.
Daddy, why this bird is not flying?
He's resting,
Resting.
Resting, yeah.
Yeah, resting.
Just relax.
He just relaxed. And he was chilling under the house. And the bird was flying.
Back.
So this is kidney. Yeah. We have kidney in Russia.
Yellow.
So
All the yellow.
You know, so need kidney in Russia. Need in Russia?
it's good. Like brown stew chicken, but a little bit different consistency.
How much the gravy at
Why
that?
is this?
Yeah.
I don't know. like a gun. Pew 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 pew.
Good. See, guys, they made a face from the tree, on the tree, in the tree, on the tree. Yeah, Rasta.
High. It's too
Okay.
high under the tree.
Yeah, a lot of rastas on the tree. It looks real though. If I sit in the dark, I will get scared. I'll think somebody real though. Alright, let's go. We need to, have a little walk. Can't just, eat and sit down, go back in the apartment, and then you just like a round balloon roll. You don't walk. Yeah, so we're going back to the park, to our spot. Where are we going again? What is the name? Island Village, yeah. So this is a fishing village, and a place where we just came from is an island village. Yeah. Yep. Surprised that I see the tourist buses. Yeah, the tourists are there still. I see them. But they don't walk out on a boat, so I guess they just carry them in the buses from one point to another, but nobody walks outside other than we. Leo just put his juice and said, like, he was pretending like it wasn't him, so yeah, he said like, oh, put it on there. What did he say?
I will put it up there.
Oh, I will put it up there, yeah. Yeah, so Leo uses paddle also. Yeah. But because I think he watched a lot of gamers, and they mostly talk English, American guys, so he mostly talks English. But yeah, I talk sometimes English. Yeah, I don't talk Pata all the times.
Somebody already can feed them, see?
Oh,
Look.
yes.
Come here, feed the fish. Danny, come here.
Oh.
Feed the fish. Here, give him.
You have bread?
Show it to me. See the fish? Come and eat it.
Where did you find bread? You see the big one is coming? The big fish is on the way.
Under the way?
Yeah, the big one.
Oh, I just feed it. I'll do it.
Now Leo is feeding fishes. So what? Oh, somebody left bread. Okay, nice. You can feed at least fishes for free here. Oh, it's coming. The one that come. This one wants to eat you. This one, if you drop, this one looks like if you drop this fish, I go pick you up. I am you. I'm not fussy. I'm not fussy. I'm not picky. So it's gonna come out there probably.
Probably is gonna come out here.
Yeah, I don't know. Monster. Oh, most of them they down there. See, Errol? They down there. And see, they have some. Oh, this is the same fishing village. Yeah. Oh, they have like little fence between fishing village and this village. Alright, let's go see the big one. Leo wants to see the big one.
You can lose it's a girlfish.
My wife's like a frog.
What?
Alright guys, we're back.
Go so far away, man. Daddy, how are you gonna go so far away?
Yeah.
How are you gonna go so far away, Daddy? How are you gonna go so far away?
Only we alone. Oh man. Oh, the coffee shop is quite open. It looks like it's quite open, yeah. It's not only coffee shop, you can actually eat there too. Bagel. Bagel, panini, breakfast. Oh, it's a breakfast shop, okay. So, Errol, you know there's a breakfast shop too. You see the coffee shop? You can eat same what Starbucks. Starbucks selling here. Jump, jump. Jump, jump. Jump, yeah. Good.
From the tree.
The ice cream, roly-poly there. The same.
Yes,
Cream.
I'm winner.
And the souvenirs. Souvenirs. Yep.
Daddy, how did you go swimming?
Finally we reached Starbucks though. Finally.
No, leave that. Leave it alone. So good work, what is it?
Oh, it's in my bag. They have a new drink, violet drink. Should I try? And something else. Oh, I love the variety of the cups. It looks so cute. Oh, this one. This one is lit too. Oh, they have Jamaica cup. So like coffee cup. Looks cute. And other cups. Alright. Oh, they have something here too. Oh, it's squishy. Feels squishy. Looks cute too. Oh, this is a giant Starbucks cup. You want some? This is so good. So, guys, I got for myself latte. Is that a latte? Oh, that's a latte. Oh, she's so cute. She put the heart. This is so cute. And also, I got a croissant with almond croissant. Give me back. What? Yeah, guys. So, where's Errol? Errol is not taking a part. Errol is not into Starbucks. Errol said that's white people shit. Oh, okay. Oh, guys, so we are here, and I just love the view outside. It's a little bit empty though, nobody there, and looks like the bridge fell down. Looks like things is not doing really good. But well, anyway, we are here though. So let me try my drink.
I need to shoot. I don't want to.
Need to first, you know, shake it a little bit, so everything just combine together. Oh, this is tasty, but I need more.
Yeah, I
Need more
said
sugar.
I was cooking.
Yeah, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and yeah, that is the end. So probably going home. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and share as usual, and